navigator system. This is the lift at Wilko's in Romford. Here it is. We'll go up to 3.
Doors closing, lift going up.
This used to be a Keighley. It's been modernised by concept with Stentergate. Capacity's 30 persons, 2250 kilos.
3rd floor.
Year made 1991, I think.
Doors opening.
We're at 3.
Doors closing.
It's got the ALS voice and old Dewhurst indicators. Wow.
2nd floor.
We are back at 2 and that's it. This is the lift at Mercury Car Park in Romford. Door close button does not work. It's a precision lift with an unknown logic. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos. Built in 2007, I think. I think it might have a Zeta motor. Back down to G. Arrow's saying it's going up, but we're actually going down. We are back at G, and that's it. The main lift's at Mercury Shopping Centre in Romford. It's going to be a Nova with Leicester. We can go up to 3.
Please mind the doors.
Capacity is 12 persons, 900 kilos, built in 1990. It's a Nova with Leicester. It used to be an Express, I think. Go back down to 1.
Going up.
It's a glass lift. Let's get a view.
Please mind the door. Going down.
Down we go.
Floor 1. Going up. Thank you.
This is the lift at Mercury Gardens in Romford.
Doors closing.
Ecodiscs. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos, built in 2002.
Going down. Doors closing.
This is an older Ecodisc. This is the original Ecodisc.
Ground floor.
We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Superdry in Romford. This used to be
Lift is going up.
Urban
Doors
Outfitters.
closing.
Used to be an old Stanner. It's been modernised by General with Digital Advanced. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 1995.
Floor 1.
We're at 1. Back down to G.
Doors closing.
It used to be Urban Outfitters. It's now Superdry. I think since they got Superdry, they modernised the lift. It's a bit slow though.
Ground floor.
We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at H&M in Romford. We'll go up to 1.
Doors are closing.
Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
This
Replaced
lift is moving
in
up.
2021. This used to be a Stanner lift, made in 2002. Here we are, 1.
Floor 1.
This is the car park lifts at Liberty Shopping Centre in Romford. These are Ecodiscs, and I don't think they seem to be working. This is the lift at Next in Romford. I'm gonna go up to 1.
Mind the doors, please.
It's in Oakland. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, built in 2002.
Lift going down.
It's this door.
First floor.
Back down to
Mind
G.
the doors, please.
It's not in good condition. It's quite dodgy. It's an average Oakland and it's hydraulic. Here we are back at G. And that's it. This is the lift at W.H. Smith in
Lift going up.
Romford. It's an Evans and Stentergate lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. It's got 2 sets of buttons. It's got the original buttons as well. Here we are, 1.
First floor. Doors
Back down to
open.
G.
Lift going down. Doors
It's got
closed.
this set of buttons as well. And Evans. It's a nice lift.
Ground
And that's
floor.
it. Oh, it's not working. Primark in Romford. It's a Schindler Euro lift. Unfortunately, it's not working as the door is shutting. Marks and Spencer in Romford.
This lift is going up.
Door close button does work like that. It's a UK lift. Capacity is 14 persons, 1100 kilos. Speed is 0.5 meters per second. It's a hydraulic lift.
Floor 1. Doors opening.
Back down to G.
This lift is going down.
It's got the A&A voice.
Ground floor.
We are back at G. This is the lift at TK Maxx in Romford. It's a Notice 2000 lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1000 kilos. Built in 2001. This is TK Maxx and HomeSense. We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Hobbycraft in Romford. It's going to be a Stanner. Going to go up to 1.
Doors closing. Lift going up.
Capacity 8 persons, 6 kilos, built in 2005. We're at 1. Slow
Level
this
1.
lift.
Door opening.
Back down to G.
Door lift going down. Level 0.
We are back at G. Now watch this.
Door opening.
This is the lift at Smith's in Romford. It's going to be a ThyssenKrupp. Door close button does work like that. It's a ThyssenKrupp Synergy lift slash Universe.
First floor.
Here we are at 1. Close button does work like that. Capacity is 13 persons, 1000 kilos, built in 2010, and that's it. This is the lift at the Range in Romford.
Mind the doors, please.
It's a UK lift. It's an Oakland style UK lift. Capacity is 26 persons, 2000 kilos, built in 2001. Here are 1. It's a hydraulic.
First floor.
Go back down to G. This is the main lifts at the Brewery car park in Romford. Gonna go up to 4. Nope. Door close button does not work. So Notice 2000. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2001. There's no indicator. We're at 4, back down to G. Not in good condition. And that's it. This is the other lift at Brewery Car Park in Romford. It's another Otis 2000. Here it is. Capacity is 20 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2001. It's the same as the last lift. That side's where the indicator was. Back down to G. It's got, but unfortunately it's not a scenic lift, it's an opaque shaft. We're at G, and that's it. And it's £2, and we're going to pay with cash. Do you want a receipt? And there's the ticket.